Gemini has just released a new feature, and now it is possible to create slides out of Gemini that look really great. Now, how exactly to do it? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly which prompts to use in order to create a presentation such as this one, with quite a good format, infographics, and data analysis, that then you can export directly to Google Slides. And then you can edit the presentation in there. You can also export directly into PDF, for example. So how exactly to do this? Well, the first thing that you need to understand is that you need to activate the Canvas feature in Gemini. You do that by going to Tools and then adding Canvas. Now, in here, you can just create a presentation like generate slides about finance for non-finance professionals, where you explain EBITDA and other financial ratios and KPIs. If you do that, then you just need to hit submit, and Gemini will start to create this presentation for us using the Canvas feature. As you can see, it is developing the presentation content, planning the structure, and creating the slides for us. Now, a very important thing is that you can click in here, and then you will start checking exactly what Gemini is doing in here. The main item is that you need it to use Canvas. And you know that it's using Canvas when it appears like now in the right side, this area in here. Now, in this step, Gemini is already creating the slides for us. So in a matter of minutes, you will be able to see the slides in the screen and then either export them to PDF or directly to Google Slides. So let's wait. Great. So Gemini now finalize our slides. And as you can see, you can just change in here and start to see the slides that it created for us. From here, we can directly export the slides or download them into PDF. When you export the slides, then it will appear this message in the bottom left of creating slides. And then you will be able to open Google Slides and have them in there. Now, the second thing that I want to show you is that you can reference your data into these slides as well. But first, let's just have a look at the Google Slides. So as you can see, they are exactly the same slides. And the very good thing is that you can then edit this. So for example, I can put in here space and then by Christian Martinez, change the font to bold, for example. And even if I didn't like this one, then you can also change the fonts. So everything is editable right now in Google Slides. Now, even these infographics that share the 3 core financial statements, for example, I can add in here income statement and then, for example, P&L for profit and loss. All of these icons as well, I can either change them or generate a new image or even remove the background. All of the images in here as well. You can just go to generate new image, and then you can generate an image with Gemini as well. Now, you can share this presentation by clicking here, share, and then adding the emails with whom you want to share it with. Now, I want to show you also this second use case when I added an Excel dataset and I ask it to analyze this data and create FP&A slides for me. Now, in this case, the slides that it created, I'm now exporting them into Google Slides. And I was surprised to see that Gemini was able to one, fully analyze my Excel dataset and create this FP&A performance for me. So as you can see, these are the slides that it created. Now again, one of the things that I really like is that all of this is fully editable. So let's say if I don't want to say K in here and I would want to put the actual like zeros, let's say, I could do it. And then of course, just change the font size and so on. The commentary as well, if I want to edit it, then I could change it in here. So as you can see, we can change all of the text in here. And it created these 3 slides for me, even with the strategic growth focus and the monitoring and risk analysis. Now, I have been testing quite a few of these AI tools to create slides, and I was very surprised about these new features in Gemini. Because, for example, other tools right now, like ChatGPT, they work quite well for many different use cases, but for generating slides from it, then even with a good prompt, then it generates this presentation, let's say, this downloadable presentation. But the main problem of it is that it looks and feel. So basically, this is this is a presentation that ChatGPT created for that exact prompt. So it does create some of the graphs in here, as you can see, using Python. So then the graph is correct, but then the overall look and feel is not the best. They do have one workaround in case that you're using for sure ChatGPT or even Copilot. That is the design suggestions that are in here. So each one of the slides, then I could go in here and choose a better look and feel. But again, I would need to do that with each of the slides, as opposed of Gemini that it goes and it already creates the full slides for us. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this new feature. Thank you and see you next time.